them in and dipping and so on. So want like big food to go in your soup, and I put up the plate in one Honey Bell kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. So my auntie did a good job. Pepper is good, the flavor is good. So now we're making some shrimp, and chef is showing you how he curry shrimp. And now chef is showing you, these are raw shrimp. He's showing you how he take off the shell. So chef, go ahead and tell him what you're doing.
Yes, we take off the shell. It's already split and devined. So you just take the vine out. This little black thing right here.
Good.
And you take the tip off.
Yeah. The vine is like the intestine. Yeah, so you definitely have to take that out.
Yes. It's a proper way to clean shrimp.
Yeah. So you take off the shell and then you cut straight down in the middle and take out that little black or brown thing. It's the vine. The vein?
See?
The vein. Yes. So as we go on and make our curry shrimp, we show you what's going on later in this kitchen. Yeah. Sweetness, goodness. Special chef here. Over here he's doing the curry shrimp. And this is the seasoning that he's blending up. Chef, tell them what you put in your shrimp here.
We have allspice, scallion, thyme, onions, garlic, and a little vinegar. Then we're going to blend this.
Is it white vinegar? Okay. You're going to blend it. We'll show you what's going on later. So for the shrimp, chef season up and blend up his seasoning, and now he's mixing up with the curry powder. Smelling good. We can't wait to taste this, chef. In this kitchen. This is how we put all those seasoning, and yes, we're mixing up the carrot and the bell pepper and other seasoning with our shrimp. It's curry shrimp, and it's smelling good, looking good. And as we go on, when it's finished, I'll show you what's going on with our shrimp. Yes. We put in some more extra onions. Yeah. Smell good.
Need more.
More onion? You're going for more onion? Seasoning. Yeah. Yes. So we have three bad chefs in the kitchen here. One outside, I do the grill, one inside, two inside. So we just doing our thing. So yes, so as we go along, we show you what's going on, you know. And you can make this too if you're having a big party. So subscribe and like to our videos. Bye. Yes, so this is the finished product of the shrimp. The chef did a good job. You see how colorful it is. You see all of those peppers and carrots, different color peppers, red and green, and you have the carrots, and just ready to serve. It's, as we say, we're having a party. This is when you're having a party or a wedding.
Thank you very much.
Yes.